Matrices are an arrangement of data in rows and columns. If we count the number of rows and the number of columns, we can determine the order or dimension of any matrix, which equals the number of rows times the number of columns. So here we have a 2 by 3 matrix. Here we have a matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns, meaning its order is 2 by 2. Why do we need to focus on the number of rows and columns and determine the order of the matrix? Because of mathematical operations. To perform addition or subtraction, the orders must be equal, meaning the number of rows of the matrices we're adding together must equal the number of rows, and the number of columns of the matrices we are adding or subtracting together must be the same. So the addition and subtraction operations for matrices require that the orders be the same, meaning the number of rows of the two matrices and their number of columns must be the same in order for us to add or subtract them. If we have two matrices like this and we want to add them together, first we verify that they have the same number of rows and the same number of columns, meaning the same order for both matrices. Then quite simply, we go to each element in the first matrix and add it to its corresponding element in the second matrix, meaning the one in the same position, the same location in terms of row and column. Here in the first row, first column, we add it to the first row, first column. Same thing, the element in the second column and first row, we add it or subtract it depending on the mathematical operation with the same element in the same position in the second matrix. One last point, why do we need matrices? Among the uses of matrices is that they help us solve equations. We must remember that most matrices have equations behind them. This system of equations, we can convert it into a matrix like this.